What's the meaning of a forest? A forest. A forest. A forest. A forest. A forest. The term afforest refers to the process of converting non-forested land into a forested area by planting trees. The result of afforestation is an increase in forest cover, which can have significant environmental benefits such as reducing the amount of carbon in the atmosphere and providing habitat for wildlife. Additionally, afforestation can help prevent soil erosion and promote biodiversity. It is an important tool for combating deforestation and restoring degraded land, and can contribute to sustainable development by providing economic and social benefits such as timber production and recreation opportunities.